Hey there! Are you interested in becoming a freelancer? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to give you a crash course on how to dive into the world of freelancing. Step 1. Identify your skills and niche. Determine what you're good at and passionate about. It could be writing, graphic design, coding, or any other skill set. This will help you market yourself effectively. Step 2. Create a strong online presence. Build a professional website and create profiles on popular freelancing platforms. Showcase your portfolio and provide detailed information about your services. Networking is crucial, so reach out to potential clients and attend industry events. Step 3. Set your rates. Research market prices for similar services and determine a fair rate for your expertise. Consider your experience, overhead costs, and the value you bring to clients. Be open to negotiation, especially in the beginning. Step 4. Create a solid contract. Protect yourself and your clients by drafting a comprehensive contract that outlines project details, timelines, payment terms, and confidentiality clauses. Review it with a legal professional if needed. Step 5. Market yourself. Use social media, content marketing, and email newsletters to reach a wider audience. Leverage testimonials and referrals from satisfied clients to build your reputation. And there you have it. These are the essential steps to kickstart your freelancing journey. Remember, freelancing offers flexibility, but it requires dedication and continuous learning. Good luck!